In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify password page. This is the page visitors see when your store is locked or not yet launched, so making it look on brand and informative is a great way to build anticipation and collect interest before you go live. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all of your store's design settings live. Find your current theme at the top of the page, click Edit to open the theme editor for that theme. This is the workspace where you'll make all your visual changes. Quick tip, if you're worried about experimenting, duplicate your theme first so you can play safely without affecting what visitors see. Inside the theme editor, look at the top of the screen for the page selector dropdown. Open it and choose password page. That tells the editor you want to work specifically on this template. If you don't see it right away, expand the list and look under templates. You can also toggle device previews here to check how it looks on mobile and desktop as you go. Now use the left panel to customize the password page. You'll typically see sections for a logo or heading, a subheading or message, an email sign up form, and the password field. Update your logo and brand colors so the page feels consistent with the rest of your identity. Write a clear headline that sets expectations like opening soon, and a short message that explains what's coming or when. If you plan to collect emails, enable the newsletter or sign up form so visitors can join your list. This is a simple way to build momentum before launch. Consider adding a background image or pattern, but keep readability in mind. High contrast between text and background is key. Adjust spacing, alignment, and typography so everything feels balanced and easy to scan. If your theme allows social links or a footer, add those to give people a way to follow updates. As you make changes, use the live preview to spot issues early. Check how the page looks on a phone, since many visitors will land there from social media. Keep the message concise, avoid clutter, and focus on one action, usually joining the mailing list. When you're happy with the design, click Save to apply your changes. Visit your storefront in a new tab or an incognito window to confirm everything looks right. If your store is password protected, you'll see the page immediately. Otherwise, you can still preview it from the theme editor. That's it, your password page is now polished, on brand, and ready to convert curiosity into future customers.